PrintableHenry, and today I'm going to show you how to make this customized watercolor portrait. It's from the Side View Jacket Girls, and everything you need to make the portrait is available in this kit. It comes with 48 hairstyles and 3 different skin tones, lots of different options that I can show you a couple examples to show you. These are all the hairstyles and lots of different jackets. You can change the sleeves. Some are pre-made, different jeans, and let's see what here's some examples of customizing it. You can just add a word to the jacket to customize it. This is a badass aunt, or this is a fun bride and maid of honor. Maybe this is a invitation for your maid of honor. For some birthdays, this would be a fun birthday card. This is a really sweet portrait you could give to a dog mom. So like I say, we're going to be doing this one, which is the book lover. And let's go ahead and get started. I will go pretty slow with this just in case you want to follow along. It's really pretty quick to put together, but I'll go slow just in case you want to follow along and create your own. So we're going to start with the background. This is a free download that you can get at PrintableHenry.com. It is copyright free, trademark free, so you can use this on commercial products. And let's see what we're going to download from this kit is, it also comes with a watermark. If you're selling your items and you want to show people examples of the different hairstyles or different jackets or different pants, any of the options, if you put this watermark on this helps prevent people from coming to your site and stealing the artwork directly from it. So here are the pieces that you're going to need. Like I say, we have the background, and I'm going to first get an arm, and for this portrait with the book, we use the piece arm, the left piece arm, so you can grab that in any skin tone you want. I'm using the brown skin tones for this portrait. And the book, we need a head, so we can download the head, some pants, some jeans here, and we're using this jacket that's included in the kit, and it's pre-made, so it already has the arms attached to it. It just makes it a little quicker to put this portrait together. There is this patch, and this is a separate, oops, let's see if we can get this. I can show you. It's a separate item, so I'll go ahead and put that on top since that's where it's going to go. And she's wearing glasses, so we've got a set of pair, oh, sorry about that, a pair of glasses right here, and a hairstyle. I'll pick these braids, and then there is some text that is customized for the back of this, and it's book lover. So we've got the text for book, and you can see here, this is, the font is Birch. I'll put all of this in the description in case you want to match these fonts. This is for lover. I've got this in Magnolia Sky is the font. Oops, let's see, for the word lover here. I'll go ahead and position that. Now all we need to do is arrange these different parts and put them on the right layers. Let's see what we're going to do. So I'm going to take the piece left arm here first, and this is on a layer that's behind the jacket, and I'll just put that, position that. If you want to go ahead and set your layers, I'll tell you what it is. The book background, book pages background is your first layer. So that's the one that's furthest in the back. And then after that, it's the arm and the book, then the head, then jeans, jacket, the little badass patch is next, glasses, and then the top layer is the hair. So I have got the arm in the position that I want it to be. Now I'm going to put the book. Now we're using this piece arm because I can lay this book right on top of it. You just position that over it. And the way that book is cut out, it looks like her thumb is over the top of that page. Now I'm going to adjust the head. So we've got her head here, and that's easy to just sort of position into place. Next, I'm going to move the jeans. Kind of have those where I want them. And the jacket, I don't have to position that because I was just moving all of the pieces behind the jacket since it's already where I want it. And now the glasses. The glasses are on a layer that's above the head or on top of the head. And then you just sort of position that. I use the little arrows on my keyboard just to move those. I think it's maybe a pixel or point at a time. Okay, I like that. Now the last piece I have is a hairstyle, and that's pretty easy because I'm just going to set that on top of where I want it. And that's it. That's your whole portrait. So now you can print it out, put it in on a tumbler or a mug or a print, add a name to it, and you've got a great custom portrait. So if you want to, like I say, I'll add all of the links to the PrintableHenry download, the side view jackets, in the description. And hope you have fun. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.